So this is a demo pump. It's using an acrylic Discpac here within the flue. It's a plastic Discpac that obviously wouldn't be considered for any real world applications, but this is a demo that I like to show people how our pump works. There's small beads there in the tank that come through and really pass through with no problem. When it comes to entrained air, we're able to introduce that as well. You can see that the entrained air here isn't doing any damage to the pump, and it's not inhibiting the pump's ability to run this. There's still solid going through the pump, even with the gas. We've proven up to 70% air entrainment on our technology. So I'm going to cut off the gas at this point. I'm going to clear this. I'm going to slow this down so you can see what's happening in here. See how those beads are all staying right in the center there? Those aren't clicking up against either of the discs in this Discpac. The boundary layer is actually preventing that from happening, and the pressure is sending it up through the discharge before it's able to bounce around in there. Something I really like to do is show people that you can deadhead or starve our pump, and it won't cause any troubles. And this can run continuously, guys. There's solids in here. You can put your hand on it. There's no heat. There's no vibration. You can leave this as long as you'd like. As long as your seal is protected, this will be no issue. I'm going to open this back up. There you see it. We like to tell people the boundary layer, it protects the product from the pump, and it also protects the pump from the product. You know, there's never any contact that disc has with solids or particulates because of the boundary layer.